Hey ladies, DejaFitBeauty here to tell you guys about my brand new 21-day fitness challenge.
I've gotten amazing results losing 2 to 4 inches off my waist with the challenges.
Every day of the challenge, you're going to get brand new workouts. You're going to get a meal plan. This time, you're going to get 4 options of meal plans. You're going to get a keto option, low carb option, vegan option, and also a pescatarian option. You get 2 coaching calls in this challenge. In this challenge, I've had ladies that lose up to 10 to 20 pounds within the 21 days.
I lost 18 pounds.
Lost a total of 22 pounds.
Yes, y'all, 12 pounds.
If you want to join in on this challenge, make sure you hit the link in the description to join in. Registration will be closing soon, so make sure you join as soon as possible. And I'll see you ladies in the challenge.
Total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something. 'Cause I feel alone in a room, surrounded by people I wanna know. right next to the skyline with you. Yeah, you. I've been listening to so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. How to make this you look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. Everything is alright. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Just watch me.
DejaFitBeauty here to tell you guys about my brand new 21-day fitness challenge.
I've gotten amazing results losing 2 to 4 inches off my waist with the challenges.
Key points that I felt helped me on my journey. Number 1, accountability.
She helps you every step of the way. She answers all questions.
Camaraderie with all of the women, that was invaluable because that kept me motivated.
Number 2, meal prep.
Follow the meal plans. It will work out for you.
Number 3, the workouts. I'm not excited about working out, but with her workout, they were so fun. Number 4, the weight loss.
I've had ladies that lose up to 10 to 20 pounds within the 21 days.
Lost a total of 22 pounds.
Losing weight is going to be a benefit of you being healthy.
If you want to join in on this challenge, make sure you click the link in the description to join. And I'll see you ladies in the challenge.